Want to make your YouTube titles look cleaner, more professional, and instantly clickable? Whether you're a new creator or a seasoned pro, your video title is one of the first things that gets attention, and if it's not formatted correctly, you could be missing out on views. Take a look at this. Looks kind of plain, right? Now imagine it like this, much better, right? That's exactly what this free tool does, and fast. Believe it or not, proper title capitalization affects both click-through rate and how professional your video appears. When your title is well formatted, it looks intentional. It signals viewers that your content is polished and that you care about details. Plus, YouTube's algorithm pays attention to engagement. So if more people click your video because of a cleaner title, that small change could lead to more views overall. This is the YouTube Video Title Capitalizer. It's a super simple, no sign up, free tool that does exactly what the name says. Capitalizes your YouTube titles with proper title keys. Let's do a quick demo. All you have to do is paste your YouTube title here. How to grow on YouTube fast in 2024. Boom, done. It instantly transforms into how to grow on YouTube fast in 2024. That's it. You can now copy this and use it directly in your YouTube video upload page. Here's an extra tip. When you have a well-formatted title that includes your keywords like how to grow on YouTube, you're improving your SEO game too. YouTube scans titles for context, so formatting plus keywords equals better discoverability. Don't write in all caps. That looks spammy. And don't just go all lowercase. It looks rushed or unprofessional. This tool gives you that sweet spot, readable, attractive, and optimized. By the way, you can use this tool not just for YouTube, but also for your blog post titles, Instagram Reels, Shorts, or even thumbnails. Clean text matters everywhere. So if you're serious about making your content look polished and clickable, give this free YouTube Video Title Capitalizer a try. You can find it at the link in the description, or just go to like this video if you found it helpful. Subscribe for more YouTube growth tools, and let me know in the comments what's your go-to title strategy. Watch next. You can check out my channels for more YouTube related tools. Subscribe for more free creator tools.